Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the video and a subtitle file, so open MX Player and start playback now. Tap the three-dot menu or the subtitle icon to begin. This triggers subtitle options. Once done, choose Open or Load Subtitle and locate the SRT or AS file on your device because MX Player reads external files better than embedded streams. Make sure you pick the correct encoding. UTF-8 is safest, so characters display properly. This first step wires the file into the player for the next adjustments. Once the subtitle file is loaded, you need to check display and timing. You will first verify encoding. If accents or symbols look wrong, switch to UTF-8 or another suitable encoding because correct encoding prevents garbled text. Next, use the subtitle delay or sync controls to advance or delay subtitles in seconds. Tiny shifts fix most out-of-sync issues. Finally, make visual tweaks like font size, color, and vertical position so text doesn't overlap UI elements. These steps ensure subtitles are readable. To finish, save or confirm the active subtitle track so MX Player remembers your settings. Alternatively, rename the SRT to match the video file name for automatic loading because many players detect matching names. If you couldn't find a local file, use MX Player's online search to download a matching subtitle. If subtitles don't appear, check one key troubleshooting tip. Ensure the file is SRT or AS encoded in UTF-8 and named exactly like the video. Fixing those three usually resolves visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.